2010 Silverado 1500. The Chevy Silverado 1500 has the lowest cost of ownership of any full-size pickup and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, traction control, air conditioning, front, power steering, automatic transmission, cruise control, passenger airbag, power windows, remote power door locks, daytime running lights, tachometer, heads-up display, tilt steering wheel, power heated outside mirrors, privacy glass. Your new ride is just a phone call away.